Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay magluluto ng pork dinuguan. We need 5 cloves of garlic, mince, then a medium size of onion cut into strips, 2 tablespoons of patis, then half a cup of vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, then 2 long green pepper, a teaspoon of salt and pepper to taste, then a cup of water, then I use black pudding dahil wala pong fresh na dugo ng baboy. It consists of wheat flour, oatmeal, pearl barley, dried pork blood, pork fat, and many more. Then lastly po, a half a kilo of pork belly na binanglian ko na po. Ngayon po, simulan na po natin ang pagluluto. Gumamit lamang po ako ng mga 2 tablespoons of oil. Igigisa po muna natin yung garlic and onion. At pwede po natin isunod agad yung patis or fish sauce. Then, maglagay po tayo ng konting paminta at isunod na po natin yung pork. Iba-brown po muna natin yung pork. Yung pagba-brown ko po sa karne is optional lamang po ito. So, nasa sa inyo pa rin po kung paano nyo lutuin. It took about 20 to 25 minutes. At pagkatapos po nito ay lagyan na po natin ng vinegar. Hayaan po muna natin kumulo ng konti yung suka bago po natin lagyan ng tubig. Then, hayaan po muna natin itong kumulo for about 10 minutes more. Habang kumukulo po, pwede po nating i-add yung mga iba pang rekado. Ngayon po, i-add na natin yung black pudding. Optional lamang po ang paggamit ko ng black pudding dahil wala pong fresh blood ng baboy dito sa Middle East. Hayaan lamang po itong kumulo hanggang maluto yung black pudding. And then, pwede po tayo mag-add ng sugar kung kailangan. Ang dinuguan po sa Kapampangan ay tinatawag na Tid-Tad. So to give you an info about dinuguan, dinuguan is an exotic dish in the Philippines. What we don't know that pork blood is actually healthy for us because it is rich in iron, which is crucial in transporting oxygen, producing energy, and developing the brain. It contains cobalt, which is essential in preventing the growth of malignant tumors in the body. This mineral is quite hard to obtain from other foodstuffs. It also contains vitamin K. It also helps in maintaining bone growth and bone density. Ngayon po, pwede na yung ating pork dinuguan. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang pork dinuguan. Thank you for watching. God bless. Jesus loves you.